सर वहाँ पे रुकिए सर अभी आइए सर थैंक यू जी सर यो क्या करना है एक स्टेप ऊपर एक मिनट आप पीछे आ जाए भाई चलेगा आदित्य सर एक मिनट
Stars here. So that we can take a look at the cover page. Very, very excited and thrilled. So Ashok sir, are we ready for the grand unveiling? Ladies and gentlemen, let's have the unveiling on the countdown of 10, 2, 1. Ooh la la la, ladies and gentlemen, the grand unveiling of society, interiors and design. Wow, we're gonna have the photo ops. We'll have the magazine. Welcome my brilliant team, Dedawala, who's joined us here. Right now. Missing something. Come. Thank you, Sonali. That's so kind. Now, this is something I'm seeing for the very first time. A very wow. It suits her the best. Sir, with publishing, Sunil Khavnekar, sir, to please join. The color of power, energy, love, blood, and wow. Red is red, the bright red.
Cover on the society interior and design. I was just thinking about who should I call, because I know the Wizard's journey started from Nasik. I wanted that Marathi touch, the Maharashtra touch in this element. This is the honest I'm sharing with you. And I thought about who do I get, you know. So the first thing I thought about Sonali and Adi. Oh, yeah. Okay. And I tried Sonali. Sonali's number was ringing, but I think she was busy. But I tried Adi, and Adi picked up the phone and said, Adi, this is what we are planning to do, and I want you to be part of this. Okay. Both are very close to me. I've been sharing not only this platform, but personally also we are very close friends. And there's a wonderful feeling. Thank you, Sonali and Adi, for coming over, taking out your time and coming over here and encouraging not only to me, but the whole entire the interior team. And especially for Bezard, you know, it's a great moment. Thank you so much, Bezard, for your support. You're always there, you know, like just one phone call away. Thank you so much.
And this is a huge honor for us at first. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Simran, for all those kind words and calling us superstars. We are humbled.
You are.
I can definitely assure you that this one is a rising star. And as you told everyone that I'm a so cool star, I'm a chota star. So we are very, very happy where we are and the way we are traveling in the industry. Thank you so much, Ashok. It's such a pleasure and honor to be here for the launch of Society cover, as you correctly said, Simran, at the beginning of the half of the year. So which is fantastic. Ashok, you probably know me for 2 or a little more decades. They have seen my journey as I shifted from Pune and I started working in Hindi films. Before working in Hindi, I worked in, Hindi mainstream. I worked in my mother tongue, Marathi. Before working in Marathi, I worked in Tamil. I learned Tamil. And before starting to work in Hindi, I worked in Italian as well.
Wow!
It was fun to...
Or was it genuine that you wanted to get into the director's space and the producer's space rather than actor's space? How did it all start? Please tell us a little bit about you.
Firstly, thank you, Sonali, for all the kind words. You're the sweetest. And Ashokji, thank you for this huge honor to be amongst such esteemed company. To be standing on the platform with Sonali is in itself a huge award for me. And thank you. You were just amazing the way you were introducing me. I'm just overwhelmed right now. But actually, it's very difficult to answer that because, to be honest, I just went with the flow. I mean, things just happened to you.
I know, before you were born,
Yeah.
it was all inside.
No, it's not. Not that way. In fact, it's quite funny actually. I'll tell you. So.
City like a small city like Nashik is getting on a front page of a very great magazine. So we are already very much humble. And thank you very much, sir.
Or, ladies and gentlemen, a huge congratulations to Hetal Puniwala. And you got the right sunshine color. Because Surat is full of sunshine. And the rich guy is Suache. Came cho tame.
बहुत मजा છું. Thank you so much. So, first of all, thank you so much. All the people, Ashok ji, Kizad sir, Society Interior and Designing. इतनी जैसे आदि सर ने बताया कि it is very important आज के ज़माने में, ये सोशल मीडिया के ज़माने में अगर आप कुछ ऐसी चीज़ जो लोगों के सामने रख रहे हो तो ये सबसे बड़ी बात है. हमारे आजकल के यंगस्टर्स जो ये भूल चुके हैं मैगजीन बुक्स हाथ में पकड़ना. सो इट्स वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट एंड सच अ वंडरफुल दे मेड इट. मेरे हिसाब से इसका श्रेय जो भी इसके पीछे इट्स ओके मैम, इसके पीछे जिन जिन लोगों ने काम किया है उन सबको मैं दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा. बट मैं चाहता हूँ कि जिन जिन लोगों ने ये बनाने के पीछे जो छोटे छोटे लोग हैं, जो जैसे स्पॉट्स हैं, छोटे छोटे क्रिएटिव लोग हैं, जिन लोगों को सामने मीडिया में आने का मौका नहीं मिलता है, मैं उन लोगों को भी यहाँ से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा जिन लोगों ने यहाँ पर मेहनत की है. सो थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम सो मच ग्रेटफुल. आप लोगों ने मुझे काबिल समझा कि मैं यहाँ आपकी इवेंट में प्रेजेंट हो सकूँ. थैंक यू सो मच आदि जी. Thank you, ma'am. It's really pleasure meeting you guys because we are in the same field. So I'm also doing searching for the work. I never say I'm struggling for the work. I always say I'm searching for the work because I've done theaters also. जब मैं यहाँ बम्बई में आया था तो मैं थिएटर का पेज लेके आया था. सो मुझे पता था कि मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में कुछ ना कुछ तो ढंग का कर ही लूँगा इस फील्ड में. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई एम सो मच प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो. एंड थैंक यू सो मच एंटायर टीम, मीडिया टीम जो यहाँ पर है, जिन लोगों की वजह से आज हम यहाँ पर हैं क्योंकि वो लोग वहाँ पर हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Kind of you, Hetal Pune. Very fortunate to witness because I was hosting that IPO and everyone was like, pehla ever outdoor media IPO which was at this like that. Inke pyar ka, how sweet. Oh my God, that's a touchy moment. But sir, आप जब भी आते हो ना, I know you're very busy nowadays. तो आते नहीं है, इसी मैं कहाँ जाऊँ, पहुँच ही नहीं पाता हूँ. But thank you कि आप अशोक सर के पास हमेशा आते हैं. And we truly appreciate it. क्या कहेंगे सर?
1987 से अशोक सर के जो कंपनी उसका मैं हिस्सा हूँ. स्टारडस्ट, मेघना, सोसाइटी, हर एक इवेंट, हर एक अवार्ड और हर एक प्रोग्राम में मैं आया और रहा हूँ उनके साथ हूँ. और मैडम की भी हर फिल्म का, और हिंदी हो, गुजराती हो, भोजपुरी हो, साउथ इंडियन हो, मराठी हो, हर फिल्म में भगवान के आशीर्वाद से मैं एक रुपये का पिक्चर देखने के लिए तड़पता था. इतना गरीबी था. उसमें शायद फिल्म स्टार मेरे बर्थडे में आते हैं. सब फिल्म स्टार की पहली पिक्चर मेरी है. और God bless and thank you sir के जैसा ही मैं proud on me.
योगेश भाई का हमें बहुत 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 प्यार है. He really loves us and gives us a lot of supports. Thank you so much, Yogesh bhai.
Thank you, sir.
Siddharth, can we please have you here? We like to also thank Anusha Srinivasan. It's her good deeds and her good luck which passes on to you, and you're here with us. Absolutely an honor as always, Siddharth. Thank you for joining us here. Such an honor, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up. for our media man, our very renowned media man. Thank you so much. A humble request to Basap Paul from our very own Invincible. We'd like to thank him.
It feels really great to be here today at this glorious event with Adinath. Thank you, Ashok ji, for having us here for the launch of Society magazine. It is special for us because we have a long association with the brand. They have covered my house or houses, and I'm very fond of entire Stardust team as well. And today, looking at their new branch and branching them out so glamorously makes me feel really nice. I want to congratulate the entire team of Society Interiors, and thank you for this beautiful, beautiful event.
It's a huge honor to be a part of this prestigious platform and sharing the dais with Sonali and Ashok ji. Thank you, Ashok ji. And it's really commendable to the entire team of Society, Ashok ji and his team, for creating a property that is so relevant, which has been relevant across different eras, right from Stardust to Society Interiors. I think it's very difficult for a magazine to stay relevant and trending in an age of social media. But you have kept the hard copy as relevant as the digital text, and that's purely because of your passion and the content. So guys, please grab your copy of Society Interiors ASAP. Thank you.
Well,
You want to come a little
no,
closer?
it's okay. Okay, yeah. Most important
come
is
in.
for me. Most important for me, Sonali and Adi, they have come all the way, taking out their time and coming over and joining us the celebrations of the unveiling of Society Interior and Design magazine. For me, it's a very proud moment. Thank you so much, both of you, making me feel great. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sonali ma'am.
Look at the camera.
So, sir, tell me how does it feel to be here today at Society Interiors and Design magazine?
So I think Society for us has been a great publication ever since I started my career, and as I said, it's a full homecoming for me personally and for my company to have a project from my home city being featured on the cover. So a very heartwarming feeling today being part of this event.
Tell us a bit about the property that's featured in the cover.
So this project is an office and a home for a very dear friend of mine, and the best part about this project is that we've not cut a single tree on this particular project, and ensure that the design complements the landscape rather than putting in fresh new landscape into a new home, and I think that is the most biggest USP of this project.
So, anything you would like to add about your project that is featured here today? And being a part of Society's magazine, like Society's covered this one.
So the reason why we chose this particular project to be part of and being featured as the cover of Society magazine is basically respect to nature and being sustainable in what we're trying to do. And I think this is the biggest, I would say, respect that I could give to back to nature, where whatever we've designed respects nature first and then looks at functionality.
So, you're asking me something? Yeah, please.
Ready?
Yeah.
Sir, how do you feel today being here at Society Interiors and Design magazine's cover?
I'm actually looking forward because मुझे जब ये इनवाइट आया तो मुझे लगा कि व्हाट इज़ दिस मैगज़ीन. आजकल के सोशल मीडिया के ज़माने में ये मैगज़ीन क्या कर रहे हैं, लेकिन व्हेन आई केम हियर सो मुझे लगा कि दिस इज़ द बेस्ट स्टेप मूविंग फॉरवर्ड कि आजकल के सोशल मीडिया के ज़माने में लोगों के हाथ में मैगज़ीन हो, ये किसी ने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया होगा, बट ये लोगों ने जो इनिशिएट किया है दैट दिस सोसाइटी इंटीरियर एंड डिज़ाइन, ये हर महीने नया बुक लॉन्च करते हैं, नया मैगज़ीन लॉन्च करते हैं, एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट, आजकल के ज़माने में ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इन्वाइटिंग मी, थैंक यू सो मच, आई एम सो मच grateful being a part of this whole event, and thank you so much Anusha, also Sonali Kulkarni ma'am, Adinath ji. I am so much overwhelmed to meet these guys. Magazines is आजकल के ज़माने में मैगज़ीन लोगों के हाथ में होना is unexpectable things. Thank you.